If in case you are facing any battery issues in your mobile, then try to use these settings. After using these settings, I'm guaranteed to you that you will experience some good battery backup in your mobile. Number one is try to use the company provided charger only. I mean the charger you are getting inside the box. I know nowadays we are not at all getting any chargers in the boxes, but try to use the specific model, I mean the specific company model charger for your particular mobile. For example, if you take again my example as my Samsung mobile, I'm having this S20 FE. This mobile supports 25 watts charging, but in the box I'm getting only like 15 or 18 watts. I'm not sure about that white charger, but I can actually use 25 watts also. I'm currently using the 25 watts charger to charge this mobile. In that way, I'm telling you, better start using the company provided charger only for your mobile. Don't use any third party chargers. If you start using this for like some days, like 2 or 3 days, you can literally see so much of differences in the battery backup. Number 2 is don't overcharge your mobile. I'm not telling like you don't charge your mobile overnight. That charging protection is also available for each and every mobile right now. I'm telling like crazily up to 100% you don't need to charge your mobile. I know it's little kind of OCD kind of thing, but many people like for their eyes it's pleasing to see if the battery icon, I mean to the side of the battery icon, if it is showing 100% or 90 above. But guys, it is not at all required for the battery. It's not at all required for each and every battery to charge up to 100%. Better you cut off your charger like 80, or I think 80 is the perfect and sweet spot for any of the battery. In Samsung mobiles you are getting an option also to stop, I mean to cut off the battery charging whenever your mobile reaches at 80%. To enable this, go to settings and search for the battery, and there you can find the settings and follow these steps to turn on the battery protection for your Samsung mobile. And some mobiles are having this feature and some mobiles doesn't have, but make sure that you have to charge your mobile like for 80% only. Don't cross 80%. And finally, number 3 tip, it is like a breather for all remaining tips. Don't use your mobile when it is below 25%. Your mobile is getting below 30%, start charging your mobile. Don't use it for like 15 or 10% or even 5%. I also used it in the past days like for below 15% or 10%, but the battery life cycles has decreased so many. If you are having any Apple device, you know what are the battery cycles, but for Android it is not yet there. Yeah, some third-party softwares are available, but it's not like 100% sure. Better you start charge your mobile whenever it reaches to 30%, or some in typical situations 1 or 2 times it is okay to use below 30%, but I'm not telling to use each and every time below 30%. So these are the 3 golden rules to charge your battery and to get enough juice for longer period. And also by using these 3 settings, I'm guaranteed to you that your mobile battery will last for so many years, and also you don't notice any of the battery glitches like the battery backup time or charging time, etc. things. I hope this video is very informative for you. If you think this is informative for you, like this video and subscribe to Tech Bunny for more interesting tech videos. Myself Rajshekar, and you're watching again Tech Bunny, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.